Hello, number one, Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Kevin and Cali on the RCI 99N4. Kevin got you all fixed up, electrolyte cap upgrade, and the tune alignment. We're going to start with our power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Just shy of 25 watts all the way down. That way you have plenty of adjustability if you decide to run an amp. These work out great with a 16 or a 24. And there's 125 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. So about 200 or so. 500 watt slug and peak. 500 on the money. Alright, Kevin, we're going to get this all the way across the West Coast. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.